Hi, I'm Jamie.
Hi, I'm Akshita.
I'm May.
And my name is Layla, and we're from Colonel Gray High School in Charlottetown P.E.I.
So our project is actually about fashion upcycling. So we collected different clothing from our school and from our community, and then we cut them up and make them into new clothing. We made an exhibition for all of our pieces to show the environmental issues that we want to address, such as like fast fashion.
And we wanted to show people that there are so many different ways that you can reuse and upcycle the old clothes that you would think of throwaway. Like over here we have so many different bags that we made from old shirts and stuff like that.
Not only about clothing, maybe even bed sheets, old towels, we can remake them into something else instead of just wasting them and putting into landfill.
Jamie over here made a really nice table cover, right? And what did you make it from?
It was from a very wide jean that we collected, and then I used the leftover fabrics from inside the jeans to cover up all the dirt and stuff, and together with some embroidery.
This sweater over here, at the very bottom there was a really big hole and a really big stain that we couldn't get rid of. So we just cropped it out and made it into something that we will wear today. This was an old sweater before, and Layla over there, she took it all out and got the material and she crocheted it. Down here are all the sticky notes, so we just told everybody to leave any comments, any positive messages about sustainability, and we also keep them for everything, and some of these are actually from Charlottetown because we thought it was super cool.